In a mystical forest, an ancient owl named Eldrick discovers that the forest's magic is fading. He embarks on a journey with a group of young animals, a curious fox, a brave rabbit, and a wise turtle, to find a legendary artifact that can restore the forest's magic. Along the way, they encounter magical creatures and face challenges that test their courage, friendship, and wisdom. The brave little squirrel in a bustling urban park, a young squirrel named Nutty dreams of adventure beyond the trees. One day, Nutty decides to venture into the nearby city, encountering new friends and overcoming obstacles. Through his journey, he learns valuable lessons about bravery, trust, and the importance of home. Underwater Adventures, the hidden city deep in the ocean, a vibrant group of sea creatures discovers clues to a legendary hidden city. Led by a curious octopus named Ollie, the team, which includes a witty dolphin, a shy seahorse, and a daring crab, embarks on an underwater quest filled with mysteries and wonders. Their adventure emphasizes teamwork, discovery, and the beauty of the ocean. The Fox and the Fireflies. In a tranquil meadow, a clever fox named Finn befriends a group of fireflies. When a sudden darkness threatens their home, Finn and the fireflies embark on a magical journey to reignite the stars and restore light to the land. The story highlights themes of friendship, hope, and the power of community. The Jungle Jam. Set in a lively jungle, a group of animal friends discovers an ancient musical instrument that brings the jungle to life. Led by a musical monkey named Melody, they must use their newfound talents to unite the jungle animals and protect their home from an impending storm. The story combines music, creativity, and the joy of collaboration.